Yo, what's up, guys? Your boy from 260 back on the block. Like, you know what it is? I don't play, boy. This is my way. I gotta do it. So actually, someone told me to react to Rashtriya rifles. I don't know, bro. Need some more to know what it is. So we're gonna check this one out, you know. So make sure like if it's your first time to be here, just hit the sub button, the notification button, and actually good to go. And before I go into that, let me also this guy is Shubanga. Oh damn, bro. The name is like, I don't know how to read down, so I'm sorry, but you know it's you, though. So let's go.
Force. Use headphones for the better experience.
Okay. Wow. Damn. Ayo, bro, like, what the hell? Look at this soldier. I always wanted to be a soldier, but I don't even know what happened. But check this thing out, man. It's wild out.
I'll sleep when I'm dead. Won't even catch my breath. And I know the world can crush my chest. I work till I'm dead. I work till I'm dead. I work
Damn. AK-47.
and then I'll do it all again. It's not because of that. It's not because of money. Works in my blood and I kill cause I'm hungry. I kill cause I'm hungry.
I would be like, this wasn't a movie. Shit. I just feel like I'm just in some Call of Duty thing. Wow.
I stand with both arms folded under my chest. Cause I know I won't stop till I'm the last one left. Fighting till I'm dead.
What the hell? Yo, I can I shoot for this, bro? Like, oh, dog. Whoa, hold on.
This on my own. Every day will test me. No time will ever fucking catch me. I live to be the best. This is all I got. I am
Damn, what? Whoever made this video is a genius, bro. I'm telling you.
You're better than this. I'm better than this. You're better than this. I'm better than this. You're bigger than this.
Oh, doing drones now.
You're bigger than this. I'm better than this. You're bigger than this. You're bigger than this. I'm better 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 than this. I'm bigger than this. It's not because of that. It's not because of money. Works in my blood and I kill cause I'm hungry. I kill cause I'm hungry. I kill cause I'm hungry. It's not because of that. It's not because of money. Works in my blood and I kill cause I'm hungry. I kill cause I'm hungry. I kill cause I'm hungry. Look out! I'm gonna carry this shit on my fucking blood.
This is cold, yo. Damn. Every year of Rashtriya rifle. Okay, yes. Thanks again for watching another video. You know what to do. Have to make sure you see the sub button, the notification button, and actually good to go.